Hi! Welcome back! This is Lesson 8 in the Learn Abacus at Home series. In our last lessons, we learned how to add and subtract single-digit numbers using 5 complement pairs, like 4 plus 1 or 6 minus 3, all within the ones place column. Today, we're going to build on that concept by working with multi-digit numbers, such as 24 plus 41, 76 minus 32, or 102 plus 483. I hope you finished Workbook 1 through 4 and feel comfortable solving addition and subtraction using the 5 complement pair. This foundation will be really helpful as we move forward. Now, let's get started by solving 24 plus 41 together. Even though these numbers have more columns, the 5 complement method works exactly the same way as it did with single digits. Our main focus in this lesson is to recognize when and where to use a 5 complement pair in each column and apply it whenever it's needed. Let's begin by setting 24 on the abacus and adding each part step by step. Now, we want to add 41 to 24. We'll start with the larger digit, which is 40, so let's look at the tens column first. We want to add 4 lower beads, but we see there are only 2 lower beads available. The upper bead, which represents 5, is available, so we'll use the 5 complement method here. Do you remember what to do in this situation? Yes. We borrow, or add, the upper bead 5, then subtract the excess 1, which is the complement pair of 4. And just like that, we've added 4 using the 5 complement. Now that we've completed the tens column, let's move on to the ones column to finish the problem. In the ones column, we want to add 1 to 4, but we see there are no lower beads available. The upper bead, which represents 5, is available, so we'll use the 5 complement method again. We know what to do, right? We borrow the upper bead 5, then subtract the excess, which is 4, since 1 and 4 are friends. And with that, we've successfully added 1. Now, let's count the beads on the abacus. We see 65. You just apply the 5 complement method in each column whenever needed. Now, let's try a subtraction problem, 76 minus 32. Just like with addition, subtraction with multi-digit numbers follows the same steps. We start with the larger digit, which is the tens digit. And whenever needed, we'll apply the 5 complement method in each column, just like we did in addition. First, we set 76 on the abacus. Now, in the tens column, we want to subtract 3 lower beads, but there are only 2 lower beads available, so we can't subtract all 3 directly. The upper bead, which represents 5, is available, so we'll apply the 5 complement method here. Since 3's friend is 2, we'll add that friend 2 first, then subtract the upper bead 5. This successfully completes the subtraction of 3 in the tens column. Next, moving to the ones column, we want to subtract 2 lower beads, but only 1 lower bead is available. Here, the upper bead 5 is available, so we'll use the 5 complement method again. Since 2's friend is 3, we add 3 as the excess, then subtract the upper bead 5. Now we've successfully subtracted 2 in the ones column. Finally, let's count the beads on the abacus. We have 44. So, 76 minus 32 is equal to 44. As you can see, you can apply the 5 complement method in each column when subtracting multi-digit numbers. Lastly, let's try an addition problem with 3-digit numbers, 102 plus 483. This process is exactly the same as with 2-digit numbers. First, we set 102 on the abacus. Now, let's add 483 to it. As always, we'll start with the largest digit, in this case, the hundreds place. We want to add 4 to the one that's already there, but we can't add all 4 directly. Since the upper bead, which represents 5, is available, we'll use the 5 complement method. We borrow the upper bead 5, then subtract 1, which is 4's friend. Next, we move to the tens column. There's enough room to add 8, so we simply add 8 here. Finally, we go to the ones column, where we want to add 3 to 2. Since there aren't enough lower beads, we'll apply the 5 complement method again. We borrow the upper bead 5, then subtract 2, which is 3's friend. Now we've added each part successfully. Let's count the beads on the abacus. They show 585. So, 102 plus 483 is equal to 585. Great job! Multi-digit addition and subtraction using the 5 complement method may seem confusing for young children at first, but with practice, this approach will become second nature, making addition and subtraction on the abacus smooth and simple. To help your child keep improving, please download Workbook 5 from my Abacus tutorial website and let them practice more addition and subtraction. You'll find the link in the description below. Remember, practicing 15 minutes twice a day, or a solid 30 minutes regularly, can make a big difference in building abacus skills. If you haven't subscribed to my Abacus Learning channel yet, please do so. That way, you'll be notified as soon as new videos are released. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.